jong Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District mentaga sngi kala penlong ya ke jingelang ka bekerpang ha conference hall ha DC office ha Khliehriat ha kapa ka wei na ki NGO ka pau commitment through Community Social Welfare Association MCSWA kala ya soy ka Memorandum of Understanding MoU but ka office of Deputy Commissioner ha ka bayadai but ka jingtmu wan thau ya ka De-Adiction Center ha Shnong Detention Room ka niga center kan long ru kom ka Rehabilitation Center na kabanta kitu kibla kerni hau drug kibakwa pancha sumar ha kaniga center ha East Giant Hills District. Ya kata ke MoU, laya soy ha ka jingadon Ryngkat lang u Deputy Commissioner ka East Giant Hills District u Shivan Chawasti IAS ka MLA Sutnga Saipung Constituency ka kong Santa Mary Shala ki Waheh Shnong ki bani ki Shnong baper ki seng long kmi ki VDP ki seng samla Shnong Ryngkat ru bat u Additional Superintendent of Police u ba S Paslen bat ki wei ki rang ba ki ba na East Giant Hills District. Haga jingyalang Waheh Shnong mula mano oba dras sang shai ulayeng bat bo jingkali da kabaong bon ki ba di drok ki dei ki ba wanna ki long yeng ki badok de kum yakini mano ban shim ne ka jingkit kli namar haga te ka center ha ban siu pisala dalit ban sumar ula kerpat ki board district bakin sobha ban wad ki lat ki lenti ban lat na ki jing siu haga te ka rehab baki Shnong ki thawru kin chong suk chong san ban lat ru naga kam tu kam thim namar bon sien hi ki kam tu ki juja dai na kadau drop ka ADC is Giant Hills District ka kong JU Kharpuri ka laong bakani ka program kan long ka bakin penkendet ban rio ban long ki brio ki basngau thu ha ka ya dai bat ki tu ki balangop hau drop bat kum joro ki kenthai ki bahap aka sex workers bandop la banya rap ya ki banya da bat man pen bhapat ya ki da ka ba ai ya ki jingtep ki ba khambania ki ba da ka an bat ki kendon ka kentu ya ki bor penya Shnong ki BDP ki seng kenthai ki seng samla ba ki dai ban tip shwa ya ki an ki kendon ki ba wan na ki yeng bishar bat kumjuru naga high court jangka jela khnang ba nuga kam ka bakile kanam poi shaka ba bakla kala ongru bagi sex workers ki don laga jangka hok ban kamai jakpo ki sex workers ki dei ki tu ki bawan shakmat ban register yaladi kum ki sex workers hanrai bon na ki ne ki dang buri yaladi naga emlang ka salang namar ka jings ngole ran naga ta daw ban penduna yak yau HIV ka long ka ba lada ki dang buri yaladi ki sex workers ki dei ban pendon kam digi kondom kum ki lat jingyada namar ka khoi ka khia ka long ka ba don kam bha Kibal ai chingkren ki kentopru ka Deputy Chief Legal Aid Council ka kongke chalam o Additional Superintendent of Police uba Espaslen bat kiwei
yang bo jing ke igam ginong kit kam sunong ko po jing sunu ki tham rem mi ina ki jung godo kudu na grum boy dum yang mod ta sa so ni sei mo swan to ka dai nam em ki jung sunu mod ka sa ka bor la nam ki jung sunu dai te bo jing we i mod kam ginong plai sunong ni kam ki jung sem ni to ki bro mo yang sunu ki dai wa tang bam nam yo ni yang ni pan na ni yang chen bat yang yo rong man ni ba ni to ki gelat wa ha gnu kom wa gini belum ko am adik hari ni drop to yo like you lagi di jingsu yo yo sa entai bat ile sno drop to like ile di to tem mat di to tem palai ye yo kam masih sno tha le to yo bon ni normal to kam to dang ni lagi kam wa di drop dan yang impa iman makte te kwa iman usuk ini ki bagi pa usuk sno ki tha to to i gelat wa kam nu le ikna yo like kita gesting jing to ko su ya ki bagi pa ba di ting ni sno ki tha
Kindon tu kami ke De-Adiction kumba pilat pe kumpi kamdei nak kasi support jomo support kawan bet na tang nak yang ke building ke baka ai nak ko Deputy Commissioner Office Henry ka jinglut jinsep angka kapupur nama bagi services kinong tray kinong ibang po angti kinong professional counselors managers nurse ki psychiatrist, ki psychologist, ki doktor wan ki bon ki jinglut sakapam saka jingsa ke jongki apun khoi pencingat dapat kai kalau jinglut di kumta nyimpan si nomor bang nyimpan yo ke jinyarap nanu ni hak banban kawai ke nominal charge atau ni hak charge na ki patient ki bagi ki ba admit nanti Ikani tambahkan ni kejing charge kejungi kan syamru nomor bangi nada ke NGO ngindang yai persyang banyo yaki central funding banyo yaki state funding from dream lagi na ministry social justice and empowerment patungjo lagi corporate SL bagi CSR ngiro kung kita kijinyarap ini charges ni charge patient care halu pa dari bagawan ng funding ng ministry ya si tim dan kamsham show man siyo
ki sex workers ila yo kam ki kita ki sex workers ki kita ki sex workers dani bu ita ka jingkali mo dani bu ita ka jingkali ko ki sex workers ki itu kita wan shakmat register yang lagi ki licensed sex workers mo bentar ki sex workers mo kila don license mo licensed sex worker mo kila register yang lagi ki sex workers hendrai ko mangitip ki pun nak diru kita buri nak jingle apa ada imlang salam ki wan shakmat ki kumnya kini ki sex workers ki barang Bampat semua bantuan hakamat terkait. Kumlau ni director yang mana? Ila apa? Nak kata kata bantuan tim yang kata HIV, kajing spread yang ini kajing pur jauh kata HIV. Bantuan tim kalau kata memang kiburi yang ini. Lesi kita tip yang kita KAA kepada health department ki kalau ban kino mo kita dan itu bijak dan kam dan kondoms hendrai kum kita bon lagi lesi kimtip wat kanika kot kiaro jong sex workers kalau kemudian kambahan nama balik balada kimtip kamu kisah kamu kanika jela jongi bar kanika district ke jongi kan jelai lagi pi kanika wake
the problem of drugs, at least we are not completely eliminate. We have been able to reduce. And then one aspect which we used to receive all the time from police department was that once we catch the people who are into drugs, they are not the people who are committing a crime. They are also themselves a victim of it once they start it. So there is no way on how to help them. We don't have a De-Adiction Center in the district, and it was a long pending demand of everyone in the district to have a De-Adiction Center. And for that we have also approached this Social Welfare Association. They have requested us that if we can identify a suitable building in the district which can be handed over to them, then they are willing to run this De-Adiction Center. So we would like to thank the tourism department also. They handed over a tourist department lodge building in Chigro, which was available in the district, and through the support of our honorable MLA, through the district mineral funds, we have been able to renovate that building and make it ready for the setup of De-Adiction Center. So now on this very important day, on this very special occasion, we are going to sign the memorandum of understanding with the organization. We will be handing over the building to them for next 3 years, free of cost. From our side, we are handing over the building, and from their side, they have assured us that they will be running the center with as much low fees as possible, so that those people who are now as and when the center is operational, they will also take some time to set up the center from their side, and when the center is operational, so that whenever we are able to identify people who are into drugs and they seek help from the district administration side, they need not go anywhere now outside the district. Many times they are going outside the district for their rehabilitation, like areas like Silchar, Guwahati and all. Now for them, these kind of facilities will be available in the district level as well. And in future, from the ministry also, the Ministry of Social Welfare from Government of India, they are also willing to provide some assistance. So once that center is running, in future, once we receive that assistance from the government, we can provide these services in future eventually free of cost as well. So this is more like a pilot project for our district, and we will see how the center runs, and hopefully whatever is the vision behind establishing this De-Adiction Center, it will be fruitful. That is one part.
Drugs NGOs presipun pi pa chiti kaga center yuli ki jikra bhayu pi man lo ni ga ya ka ni district ni ka su sai like ni ki chong ki thau auri step no be terliam ngayu yo on pi jang ni workshop da na batai lu ni ki pi orang jan na bodi ki kam chapang ni ki sex workers ki POCSO cases pun ba tan pi chong da tan pi ha chapang ni kam the Unity Janha Kani Kawa open banai ka drugs addiction center Unity how met yang chong thani we want ra super sign ki au ki traditional la ki ori wale ki bidipil la ki ori wale yo met ko ki drugs addict yo chabi male chabi ki yo wan ra ki dan to harass ki ne club ki udah ki hantar ko pi le pai hari hantar ko ki chong ki bidipil yo umar na chong tao ni na ki super Naite ko kula bit tiket for the benefit ila chong ki benefit unity ki chitra alam ni wa district ni officer ni man ni super sen bit tiket ni